CBD has become one of the most popular wellness tools in the world, but if you're new to it, all the different methods can be overwhelming. From oils and gummies to vapes and topicals, how you choose to take your CBD fundamentally changes how your body reacts to it. In this video, we're going to look at the science of bioavailability, break down the pros and cons of every method, and I'll share the tips you need to get the most out of every dose. Before we dive into the methods, we need to talk about bioavailability. This is simply the percentage of CBD that actually makes it into your bloodstream. Let's start with the gold standard for many, CBD oil or tinctures. This is what we call sublingual administration. By placing the oil under your tongue, the CBD is absorbed directly through your mucous membranes and into your blood, bypassing your digestive system. The pros are clear. It works faster than edibles and gives you precise control over your dose. The downside? Some people find the natural, earthy taste a bit strong. The most important tip here is the wait. You must hold the oil under your tongue for at least 60 to 90 seconds before swallowing. Swallow too early and you're just taking an edible. Next, we have the most convenient option, CBD edibles, like gummies or capsules. Gummies are great because they taste like candy and they're very discreet. However, they have to pass through your digestive tract and liver first. This first pass effect means it can take anywhere from 30 minutes to 2 hours to kick in, and you lose some of the CBD along the way. But here's a game changer. CBD is fat soluble. If you take your gummies with a high-fat snack like avocado or nuts, you can actually quadruple the amount that gets absorbed. Now, for those who need immediate relief, inhalation or vaping is the fastest method available. Because the CBD goes straight from your lungs to your blood, you'll feel the effects in minutes. It's ideal for acute issues like sudden anxiety or discomfort. The trade-off is that it wears off the fastest. You'll need to redose more often, and of course, there are potential respiratory considerations to keep in mind. Then we have CBD topicals, creams, balms, and salves that you apply directly to your skin. Unlike the other methods, standard topicals don't enter your bloodstream. They interact with receptors just under the surface of the skin where you apply them. For best results, clean the area first and massage the product in for at least 30 seconds. This is the best choice for targeted joint or muscle issues. Finally, we have concentrates like wax or shatter. These are highly potent, often containing over 80% CBD. They offer near-instant effects and high potency, but they require specialized equipment and a bit of experience to use safely and effectively. So, which one should you choose? If you want all-day support, go with gummies. If you need it right now, vaping or oil is better. Most people find that CBD oil is the perfect middle ground. It's faster than gummies, lasts longer than vaping, and is very cost-effective. However, the market is full of low-quality products. It is crucial that you use a brand that provides independent lab testing to verify what's actually in the bottle. I've tried dozens of brands over the years to find what actually works. I've linked my personal favorite CBD oil brand in the description below if you want to check it out. Regardless of the method you choose, the best advice is to start with a low dose and slowly increase it until you find your sweet spot. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown helpful, please give the video a like and subscribe for more evidence-based wellness guides. I'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy and take care.